Hi everyone, welcome back to Nicely Soiled. Firstly, good night to everyone. This is evening time and I have the silence needed to record this video, which is really good, I think. It's so peaceful. So as you can see from the thumbnail, I went shopping for plants today and I had a really good time. Of course, I went to my usual nursery and they keep changing plants. I went there originally to see if I could get some really interesting plants for you guys in case you were interested in acquiring some plants that I show in my videos. So I'm trying to arrange that. If you're interested in getting some limited edition plants, I'm getting there. Cat is scratching. Let me show her to you. Trilly! Okay, so this was something a bit unexpected, but so you got to know also my cat, one of the cats that I have. So yeah, coming back to the point, I don't know, my idea is to get some plants for the videos and put them out for sale. It's not yet everything well defined, but please let me know what you think about it. Basically, it's going to be only that plant, maybe one or at most two. So whoever asks first, then they will be able to get it. Basically, that's the whole idea. So why don't we start unboxing? Because I have a nice box full of interesting plants. The first thing I want to see is something like super tiny, and they already caused some troubles to me. And it's these ones. I got this pot here and a tiny opuntia, this one that I have no idea what it is, and a tiny cactus. They're all three like super small, like compared to my hand. This is like the size, and I hope they are going to grow quite a lot. So hopefully I'll give you updates on their growth. I'm not going to repot them now because you see I don't want to stress them, but I will at some point, maybe in a week or so. So I can give the time to the plant to actually rest, get used to the temperature here in my house, light conditions, recover from the journeys and everything, and then they will find a new home. So this was the first, and I'm going to put it back here. Second thing that I bought is, I don't know which one to show you. I guess this one. It is, I think, a pepperoni. I'll do more research on this because I just liked it. The blooms are falling off a bit, but it's still in bloom. I will research much more about it because I liked it. It seems like a peperomia raindrop, maybe. I'll let you know, and I'll write it here. So you know this, and I also bought something. Oh, it has new growth. It's a bit hard to show you here, but anyway, I also bought a pot for this, so it's still going to stay. Oh no, it's coming out, everything is coming out. So it's going to stay in the original pot for quite a while, and this is the pot, the cover of the pot I got for her. So this is the whole thing, and the idea is to let it rest as well as the others. I don't know what is happening to these browning leaves behind. I'll make further research and I will let you know, most probably on Instagram. What else? I'm planning to propagate it, so I don't know. I'm also going to experiment on this. I guess it's going to be hopefully fairly easy to propagate it because they have these leaves. So this is a variegated version, and I might be propagating the variegated version. just to... Still, I don't know, still not sure about it. I will definitely update you. Basically, what I'm going to do is either I'm going to cut and try to see if the stem is going to grow roots, or also take the leaf and cut it as I did with my other peperomia. But I'll update you. Finally, since that nice thing in the background needs a partner, I also got her another Clarinarium, Anthurium Clarinarium. It wasn't planned to get another Anthurium, but I will tell you why I bought that specific one. It was the last one, and yep, here you go. This is the, again, as I said, the Anthurium Clarinarium. It differs from that one I have over there, because it's like much more wider than taller. The other one is taller than it is in bloom. Here you have one bloom, and the interesting bloom is not this one, but it is the other one on the other side, and this is why I bought it for. So this is I don't know if it can focus properly, but you can, okay, I think you can see it better now. Basically, it already has seeds, so the pollination process was successful, and I can assure you they told me that it was not made on purpose. It's probably two plants that were together, same place, different timings of bloom, which made it possible to eventually have this pollinated. So according to my research, as I will tell you on the video of the Anthurium Clarinarium, is to have the seeds of the foreign Anthurium, you need basically two plants. That's why I also got the second one. Why? Because nature made things in such a way that they actually don't want the same plant to pollinate itself. So they promote diversity, which is a very good thing. I like that nature promotes diversity. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be super patient, and I'm going to let these seeds mature in the plant. Honestly, I have no idea how long it will take. They are still green, so too early stage to be taken away from the plant. They will need to mature, and of course I'm going to update you on maybe on Instagram or maybe on another video. We'll see. Again, needless to say, this has a cover as well. Sorry, I don't want to disturb the plant, but I got the cover of the pot. Now it's very late in the night, and I wish you a very good evening. If you like this video, please give it a like. And again, I really hope you will subscribe to my channel if you find these videos useful and interesting. Good night!